much tuckered out. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's had enough. He's gonna take a little snooze, I think. He's been eating all morning. The sun's nice and warm. I think he's just gonna bask in the sun for a little bit. Oh yeah, he's happy. Real happy boy today. Got a nice full stomach. He's been whittling away pretty good here. I got some garbage over there. I didn't realize I had to pick up, but he's doing good. So I think he's about to cash out. Call it a day. Oops. Oh yeah. He's about to call it a day. Which is fine. He's been waltzy tuckered himself out. Yeah, he's out. He's sleeping. Oh, he's getting there. Oh, he's getting there. Falling asleep. Look at him. Oh, man. Just passed out. Try not to wake him up. Oh, man. He's just tuckered out. It's been a good morning for him. It's really the first nice day we've had in a good while. It's about 63, 64 degrees out here in Michigan, and he is just loving life right now. We're gonna let him sleep, and this pretty much be the last video for today. I'll probably have some stuff up tomorrow. So everyone enjoy the weekend. We'll talk to you soon.